Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we have a hog on the mill today. Let's take a look and see how big it is. See if I get some of this bark off. I'm going to be using a stellite blade, and I cut another really big log on it. But this stellite blade is me trying this. This is from Norwood. So let's see how big this diameter is. It's really big. 25 inches. $11 feet. And I do have the centers pretty close to being lined up. 19 and a half, 20, 19 and, yeah, about 19 and a half. So it's got a big swoop, and it's way down the mill in this direction. Because since this is so big on this end and that was smaller, as it rolled this way, it, obviously it's going to roll faster and cover more ground on this side. So I missed the whole bunk by 2 feet on this end, or about 1.5 feet. Let's take a good look at this log and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see it's got a little swoop to it right there. This log is going to be 5/4. Keep in mind we don't have 5/4 scales on these mills, so I have to do it the old way. Let's get her in position here and see if we have to do any modification to the log. Okay, that side's gonna clear. Ooh, I gotta go up a little higher to clear. All right, I did mention 5/4 boards. And that's it. So we'll slab it off and get going. What I like about this view is it gives you an indication of what my blade's doing. If the mill all of a sudden lurches forward, the carriage, or the blade snaps down or snaps up, that lets me know that my blade is dull. It's a good indication of it. I have other indications. 1, feel it. 2, watch the amp meter. These stellite blades, this second log, and it feels literally razor sharp still. We're gonna roll this all the way over with the tractor. I'm using up the entire mill on this cut here. The other day, a friend and I were talking about how much work it is working a manual sawmill. Now, I've made some modifications to help things out, but without a tractor, this would be impossible. I would venture to guess these timbers weigh 500 pounds apiece. They're huge. They're about I think they're about 18 inches wide, 6.5 inches tall, and almost 1 foot long. Even these slabs probably weigh a couple 100 pounds. You might be able to hear it, but the bearing on the blade guide on the exit side of the dust chute went out. And I do have a bunch of them to replace it, so I'll replace that soon. Up next is stickers for him, and then a couple of boards that are wide that I can cut down to 6 inches for him. So we got all his boards. Both those logs that we did are his. They're big logs. Let's get these stickers all set for transportation. I don't know when he's going to come and pick this all up, but he knows it's done today. Nice pile of wood. I'm telling you guys, that stellite blade, I'm really liking it. 2 big logs, close to 400 board feet, and it's still razor sharp. So, hey guys, that'll do it. Hopefully you like this kind of content. If you do, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to leave a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already done so. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.